What's the meaning of Betty Crocker? Betty Crocker. Betty Crocker.
Betty Crocker. Betty Crocker. Betty Crocker is a brand and fictional character used in advertising campaigns for various food and recipes. The name Betty Crocker originated in 1921 when a promotion contest was held by the Washburn-Crosby Company, later to become General Mills, to find a name for their new cake mix. The name Betty was chosen because it sounded friendly and approachable, and Crocker was chosen to honor a popular director of the company at that time. Since then, Betty Crocker has become an iconic symbol of home cooking and baking, with her likeness appearing on countless cookbooks, magazines, and television commercials. Today, the brand offers a wide range of products, from cake mixes to frosting and other baking essentials.